Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever feel like your energy levels are on a constant roller coaster, leaving you exhausted by midday? Imagine if there was a simple, delicious drink that could stabilize your energy, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the wonders of turmeric ginger tea, a golden elixir packed with incredible health benefits. Intrigued? Stick around to learn how this ancient remedy can transform your daily routine and elevate your overall well-being. Plus, I'll be sharing a secret tip at the end that can make this tea even more powerful. You don't want to miss it. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why turmeric and ginger are such a dynamic duo for your health. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and even support brain health. But the benefits of turmeric don't stop there. Curcumin has been shown to improve heart health by enhancing the function of your blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart disease. It also aids in digestion by stimulating bile production, which helps break down fats and promotes nutrient absorption. And if you're looking to boost your mood, turmeric can help with that too. Research suggests that curcumin can increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Now let's add ginger to the mix. This spicy root is not only a fantastic flavor enhancer, but also a potent health booster. Ginger is well known for its ability to ease nausea, reduce muscle pain and soreness, and support digestion. It's packed with gingerol, a bioactive compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Combining turmeric and ginger creates a powerhouse tea that can help soothe your body, enhance your immune system, and provide a gentle, sustained energy boost. To make this tea, you'll need fresh turmeric and ginger, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, a dash of honey for sweetness, and a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C kick. Start by grating about a teaspoon of fresh turmeric and ginger each into a pot of boiling water. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain into your favorite mug. Add a pinch of black pepper, a teaspoon of honey, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Stir well and enjoy your golden elixir. This soothing drink is perfect for any time of the day, but especially wonderful in the morning to kickstart your metabolism or in the evening to help you wind down. And remember, consistency is key. Make this tea a regular part of your routine to fully reap its benefits. If you're enjoying this content and want more tips on natural health remedies, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our Glow Essentia community. We have plenty of exciting videos coming up that you won't want to miss. And stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a secret ingredient that can supercharge this tea's benefits even further. So there you have it, a simple, delicious way to boost your energy, immunity, and overall health. I challenge you to try this turmeric ginger tea for a week and see how it transforms your daily wellness. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can enjoy these benefits too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you tried turmeric ginger tea before, or do you have another favorite health-boosting drink? And now, as promised, here's the secret ingredient that can take your turmeric ginger tea to the next level: a pinch of cinnamon. Not only does it add a warm, sweet flavor, but cinnamon also has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making this tea an even more potent health booster. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.